program that I joined not too long ago called MiningCity, and they're actually killing it with their marketing. I'm in a Facebook group right now, which I've got pulled up on my desktop right here, and this is one of their Ethiopian team meetings. I'm going to scroll through some of these pictures. But they've been doing these all over the place. Not in the USA, but in other countries. In other countries, this is extremely trendy. Here's one of their other people at the mining farm. I'm going to turn this up really quick.
I'm here. You have thousands of machines you can see. So many machines. It's real, it's true. Everybody who says MiningCity is a fake is full of bullshit. It's real. They have so many stuff here. You can come, you can visit the farm, you can see all the hardware here working really loud.
But they got people in this group. It's called The Zone, and this lady Hannah created it. They're doing all kinds of meetings everywhere. Like, I've only joined this thing a little over I think like a month ago or so, and they just keep posting video after video and photo after photo of all these meetings that they're doing, and they're doing them not in the United States. This hasn't really gained much momentum in the U.S. Like, here's another one.
There's the entrance. Okay, so this would be one entrance, and there would be another entrance there. There would be the stage. Okay, so, and this is the bigger stage. So this will take round table 1,200 people. If we do cinema, it will definitely take more, but we're going to be going for the round table. So we will do 1,200 people.
So they're throwing an event in that big, giant white tent. Here's some more photos of their mining farm. It's located in Kazakhstan, and they have secured electricity for 3 cents per kilowatt. There's another meeting that they did. This is again in Ethiopia, if I'm not mistaken. But they're doing these meetings all over the place, and I can show you the network actually building very quickly in my back office. I'm going to show you that in a minute. There's another video from their Ethiopia meeting. But you can come in this group here. They won't let you in unless you're actually a member, so you got to become a member. But you can see all the meetings that they're doing. They're doing these things like freaking crazy all over the place. So if you're looking at something that's going to get a lot of duplications in the network as we go into this next bull run, this is something with very, very high earning potential, especially for network builders, multi-level marketing builders. This is a pretty high income compensation plan here. Let me go to the actual website and I can show you my network. So what they did is basically, if you're in USA and you try to go to it, it's just going to come up like this, because everyone hates the United States. They hate the United States government. They don't want to deal with all the bullshit and the corruption. So basically, like, if you're in the United States, what you got to do is you got to download this thing called Anonymox. See right there, Anonymox. It's like anonymous, but with an X at the end. You download this little it's a Google Chrome extension. It takes like 30 seconds to download. And what you do is you change your IP address. See right here, these are all US, US, US. We don't want any of those. So you come down to like the United Kingdom, or I believe that one's Netherlands. And right there, we just changed our IP address. So now we're no longer using a United States IP address, and we should be able to access the website. Okay, now we're in the back office. If we click on Citizen Tree, we can see how the network is building. Here, what we'll get in, this leg over here, this inside leg has just been going nuts. Look at how far down this thing goes. And even this side too, this side inside leg's going down too like crazy, look. See, look, we're getting tons of duplications in this network. So all this marketing that they're doing in like Ethiopia and stuff, it's working. if you get like 1 or 2 leaders out there, your network's probably going to blow up like crazy. Like these inside legs in my network are starting to blow up. Tons of duplications. Let's come back to the dashboard here. Very similar to other mining pools in the past. We got a $500 pool, which is the one I'm on. And then they have the 1,000, 2,000, and 3,500, which is getting all 3 at once. They have their calculator on here, which, these calculations, it's usually like they're calculating out as if nothing changes in the crypto market. So we all know that the crypto market is extremely volatile. So, just to say that, oh, it's going to consistently put out a fixed rate every month, it's not really realistic. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, and the mining earnings are also subject to the same volatility. For example, in 2016, going into 2017, I was joining lots of mining pools like this, and yeah, at first, before we hit the bull run, these numbers that these crypto compare websites and stuff, you calculate them out based off the electricity. So we changed to 3 cents per kilowatt, however many terahash you're getting, and then it'll give you like an estimation of how much you'd make back per month. But once we went into the bull run in 2017, all these numbers increased like crazy. We were making way more during the bull run than these calculators were saying back in 2016. So again, it's like, as long as we time it right, if we get in these things before the bull run and then we do a big cash out during the bull run, then we're going to be good. Because what's going to happen is, as we go through the correction, then the daily profits from the mining are going to drop. And I'll show you, and I can show you on the chart here how it was last time I went through this cycle. So you see, I got involved back down in here in like 2016. And during all this time right here, it was pretty consistent. It wasn't, the mining earnings were pretty consistent. And then once we got into 2017, like the last half of 2017, this is where the mining earnings just went insane. I mean, absolutely ridiculous. Like I remember I started one with like $500. I compounded it for a while during 2016, and then I went on 100% withdrawal, and it was just doing like $20 a day, like $20 a day in Bitcoin for multiple months in a row. Like the whole last half of 2017, it was doing like $20 a day in Bitcoin, and it was a mining pool I joined for like $500 back in 2016. So, and then what happened here is that the thing started to slow down a little, and then once we got like to this down here in 2019, a lot of mining companies actually had to turn off their miners temporarily, and until things got more profitable, which is where we are now. So we see these same cycles repeating themselves. So as we go into 2020, after the next halving, going into 2021, we're probably going to see mining earnings go absolutely insane, because that's just based off the 10-year track record of this stuff, we see the same patterns repeating themselves. Now, if you do what I do with the network building and all that stuff, and you start utilizing these marketing plans, like what I teach, you can make an absolute killing. In fact, I made over $100,000 last cryptocurrency bull run building programs like this, and so can you. Especially if you use my strategies about how to rank high on YouTube and capture all the traffic as it comes in, as all the hype and the euphoria comes back in the mainstream media and all this stuff. If you do what I teach, you're going to make a ton of money in the next cryptocurrency bull run, which is just starting to happen again. It's like the beginning, the very, very beginning of it, before shit really starts to get crazy. So, MiningCity, very high compensation plan. I do have an interview that I did with the CEO of MiningCity. He didn't want it posted like on my public YouTube channel because I guess he doesn't like the way he sounds on camera, from what I take it. So I do have a private video. I have a private video that I can send you if you want to watch me and one of my other partners interview the CEO of this company. So I can send that to you. Just message me on my Facebook account right here, the Sean Logan Marketing one. Make sure it says Sean Logan Marketing, because this is the real Sean Logan. There's a lot of people that create fake accounts to me. And then I'll send you that interview. I'm also going to leave an invite link to sign up with MiningCity in the description of this video. And again, if you need help with marketing on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and all that stuff, you let me know. I'm gonna, once you get into this program and you get your position in that binary tree, I'm gonna send you some trainings that's gonna really teach you how to tap into this traffic and build a big network and make a shitload of money. All right, that is it for this.